Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Guys, forget Google Nano Banana, and there is a new AI in the market and its name is Fibo and it is from the Bria AI. It is completely free and open source and its image quality is far more better than the Nano Banana. Here you see that I have generated one product and I have just copied the prompt from this ideogram, and this is the prompt. And when I gave this prompt to this Bria, here you see that it has generated exactly same kind of image, and also you see the image quality. It is a 4K quality image. And also if you see the prompt, what I have mentioned inside this prompt, there are Coca-Cola can will be there, and a stainless steel refrigerator is there, and the refrigerator is open, and also here you see that some kind of ice will be there, and also blah blah blah, there are many things I have mentioned, and it has exactly placed all of their eyes, and the refrigerator is also open, and this Coca-Cola name is also mentioned here, and also there is some kind of smoke there, and this is a smoke of ice. Okay, and here you see that you can actually change the aspect ratio according to your need, and also you can change the number of thinking, the inference thinking, and also here you see that you can generate the seat number. Basically if you give the seat number, then you can generate some kind of images or the faces that we want. Sometimes we want to generate the AI models, and we want to keep the model face remain same every time when we want to generate the AI image. So you can mention that seed number here, and also if you want to give any negative prompt, that also you can give here, and also the number of images that you want to generate, 1 2 3 4. And also here you see that there is an option for the image reference. Means if you have any image and if you want to add any object there, or if you want to generate some kind of background scene there, like whatever you have done in case of Nano Banana, you can do the same thing here also. But the image quality, you see, it is far better than the Nano Banana. And when I compare the same prompt uh, with the Yuan image 3.0 and with this Nano Banana, here you see that I got the output, and you see that this One also has given the better output than the Nano Banana, and this Bria FIBO has given the far more better output than the Nano Banana. Okay, and also if I just test a prompt, but before that let me show you that what this model is about. Here you see most text to image models excels at imagination but not control, but here you see that you will get the full control here. In case of refine, means the generated image you want to refine that, then in case you go to this refine tab and just give the instruction, and here you see that already you have got the seat number. Means it will automatically take the seat number from this image, and the instruction that you will give, it will make the changes here. Let's say I want the Coca-Cola can to be green color, so make the Coca-Cola can um, green color. Okay, green color. Okay, or you can say Coca-Cola box. Okay, green color. And now if I just click on this refine, here you will see that it will be changed. And in the meantime, let me show you the features. Here you see trained on structured JSON captions up to 1000 plus words, and Fibo enables precise reproducible control over lighting, composition, color, camera settings. Means sometimes we want that this 90-degree angle, 45-degree angle, so that should be possible here. And the structured captions foster natives, allowing targeted and iterative refinement without prompt drift. And its size is only 8 billion parameter, and it delivers high image quality, strong prompt adherence, and professional grade control. And here you see that on the right hand side, if you go to this GitHub repository, there are some spaces. So currently I am using this first space. This is the Bria AI Fibo official Hugging Face space. If you use this, it will let you use their space unlimited time, and you can generate this image. And here you see that iterative control generation generate images from short prompts or keep refining and get inspired from detailed JSONs and input images. And also 100% licensed data governs and repeatability and legal clarity, means it is totally enterprise grade and production ready. So let me check with it. Here you see that it has just refined it, and it has changed the color from red to green. And if you see the image, when I am just zooming it, and here you see the image is not getting broken. So here you see that the API response is also, you will get here, means for all of these images you will get the Python code, JavaScript code here. Okay, means if you want to use it in your code also, then also you can do that. This is their API. Okay, whole source code you will find, and also you can download it. There is a PNG option, and you see the image quality, it is actually very better than the Nano Banana. Okay, and also you will get the seat number, means you can generate the AI model image also from here. Okay, and let me generate some more images in front of you so that you get familiar. So open this page, and here you will get this kind of interface, and here you have to give the prompt. Now for this prompt, let me go to this ideogram, and here you will find basically more images. Okay, this is the image that I found very beautiful. So let me copy this prompt. Okay, let me copy this prompt and let me go there and paste it here. And for this for the timing, let me select these two images and click on this generate, and let's see what output I'm getting. And by the way, the image generation is very fast. It is not like that it will take much time, and it is very fast. Okay, and also if I just zoom out this, on the left hand side you will find these structure prompts. Okay, means it you will find that general, short description, background settings, and style, medium, context, all other things. And after that the objects, in the position of their objects, lighting, aesthetics, all other things. And here you see that the image is ready, and you see the image is looking very beautiful, and it is looking like one person have taken the camera shot in a 4K camera view, right? And it is looking very real. So you please try it and compare the output with the others, and for that you can go to this LM Arena and choose this image option here, and here you can compare it, the same prompt with the GPT image or this Microsoft MAI image and seed trim and this Nano Banana, and let's check that which model is best. And whatever the model that I have used till now, I can say that this Bria FIBO is actually amazing, and this is a game-changing model, and also it is free and open source. Okay, so please try it, and all the links are given in description. Please go and check there. And if you found this video helpful, guys, and if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.